masala cooks for you. Today we are going to make a very popular Middle Eastern rice dish called chicken kabsa. This is very simple to make and it's really delicious. You can see not many ingredients also are used for this. I've used 1 bell pepper which I've cut into squares, 2 chopped onions, about 5 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 large tomato, about 750 grams of chicken legs, and 2 cups of rice, basmati rice. And the dry masalas, I've used turmeric half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon coriander, 3/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon pepper powder, salt to taste, 2 green cardamoms, 3 cloves and 1 cinnamon stick. Apart from this, I'll be using some oil and butter. 2 bay leaves and 2 dried lemons. If you don't have the dried lemon, you can just add some lemon juice, fresh lemon juice to this. To begin this recipe, I'm going to put some oil in a pan. Make sure you take a bigger dish because you're going to cook the rice in this itself. And I'm going to add a little bit of oil and a little bit of butter, so add accordingly. Butter, I'm adding about 1 big tablespoon of butter. And about 7 to 8 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to add the finely chopped garlic into the butter and oil mixture. Just fry this for a few seconds and then add in the sliced onions. This is a really quick recipe and it is really tasty also. And it's a 1-pot recipe, so it's very convenient. I fried these onions till they are golden brown. And I'm adding the chicken pieces. I've used full legs. So I'm just adding all of them. Fry them for a minute, just flip them over. You can use the whole chicken, the mixed chicken parts also. I'm just using the legs. You can add whatever pieces you like. And I'm adding in all the masalas, the bay leaves, the garam masala and all the other masalas into this. Mix everything together. I'll fry this for just about 2 minutes. Add in the lemons and the capsicum. And all the other ingredients, the chopped tomato. chicken. They are really done well. Got a nice barbecued look on it, and the rice is also ready.